it looks at is those concerns that you've mentioned. You know, brown spots, redness, environmental damage, but it's going to look at it at a much deeper, detailed level, and we're going to see what the environment's been doing to your skin, and then we can also talk about the treatments that we have that can help improve those issues. So what we do is we first create a profile on you, we put in your age and your date of birth, and we use that information to compare your results with a database that Vizia provides, and within that database is a number of women within 1 year of your birth date, either before or after. So you kind of know where you fall around women your age. I'm going to put this little cape around you. It's just a little collar, and that way we only see your face. Okay. So when we do your Vizia analysis, we'll take 2 images. We'll do the front view and then a side view, and that'll give you an idea of pretty much the overall issues around your skin. And if you can rest your chin here and place your forehead here into the booth. I'll have you close your eyes and you'll see 3 flashes. 3 flashes, and you can come out. And now what it's doing is it's going to create a map on your skin where we can look at that area and analyze it. So it's taking little measurements of your skin so that it can generate a map. And here comes the map. And then I'll click Analyze. Now you'll see the image do some flashing as it's going through the different filters. And then we'll get our results.
So quick.
Now it's going to do the other image. Okay, so now on this side of the screen we have all of the different issues that we can see in your skin. And the first one is spots. And that's kind of the visual spots that we see, the contrast in your skin. And you can see that the map highlights them. And I can take off the map and put it back on so that you can see where these spots are that we see. The next one is wrinkles and fine lines. The darker green is deeper, the lighter green are the more fine lines. The next area is texture, which we can see the different textures in your skin. The deeper texture is blue, and the softer texture is yellow. So it's just that variance in your texture, which we can improve with laser treatments, chemical peels, products. This one highlights pores. It shows you the pores on your skin. The larger ones here you can see are highlighted with a little larger circle, so you just have a few large pores in there. And the next one is UV damage.
Wow.
And UV damage shows up in browns and reds in our skin, and this is not what we see visually. This is what is below your skin. That's why Vizia is so cool, because it'll show you the damage that's happening below your skin. The next image that Vizia shows us is the brown spots below the skin. So this would be hyperpigmentation above and below the surface of your skin. So some of these are perhaps visual spots that we can see on your skin now, but the others are spots that we don't want to come up. They're below the surface of the skin from years of sun damage, probably done in your teens and 20s, but we don't want that pigment to make its way to the surface. And the next one is red. So this is areas of redness that we can see, perhaps the little telangiectasias, those little veins around the nose, some areas of maybe thinner skin, or areas from old blemishes that are vascular. And porphyrins, this is oil producing glands. So you may see that in Arizona we have a drier climate, so you may not see a lot of oil producing glands, or if you're postmenopausal and you're not producing a lot of oil and maybe you're a drier patient, we'd be able to see that with Vizia, you know, that maybe you're a little bit dry and you need some hydrating treatments or hydrating products. Or if you're really oily, we'd be able to see a lot of these little illuminating oil producing glands. So then this is an overview of your photos. It's a reminder of all the little images that we just looked at, so you can see all of your scans. And these are the issues that we can treat at Maffi clinics. We can use laser, we can use skincare treatments, products. Perhaps you want to use some injections from our injection side of the clinic and soften some of your fine lines and wrinkles. But this just gives you a digital look of some of the issues that we see below the surface of the skin.
That's great.
So now that we've completed your digital analysis of your skin with Vizia, we have your results in our database here at Maffi Clinics. So as we're doing our treatments, we can do another set of images and look at your results, and we can compare them side by side.